everyone, in the last video we have talked about porifera and coelentera. So in this video we will be continuing the further phylums. So the next phylum will be Ctenophora. Ctenophora is also commonly known as sea walnuts or comb jellies. Why the comb jellies? Because they have 8 ciliated comb plates in their body. That's why they're named as comb jellies, and they are exclusively marine. This is very important. In case of Ctenophora, they all are exclusively marine. And special property of Ctenophora is bioluminescence. What does that mean? This means they will have the ability to emit the light. So this is a special characteristic of Ctenophora. And talking about their male and female organs, they are hermaphrodite, which means both male and female will be in the same individual, and only sexual reproduction will be happening in the Ctenophora, and their fertilization is external and development is indirect. As I already said, fertilization is external means it will be taking outside the body as in water, and development is indirect means the larva stage will not resemble the adult one. Okay, both will be different, and these are the examples. And talking about the platyhelminthes, they are generally called as flatworms, and you know a very well example, Taenia solium, which is also called as tapeworm. Okay, they're talking about their body. They are dorsoventrally flat body. Okay, flat. That's why the name as flatworms. And talking about the habit, they are endoparasite. Mostly they are endoparasite, which means they are attached to an animal. Okay, and how when the platyhelminthes are endoparasite, they will be having a hooks and suckers which are helping them to attach to the host. Say in human stomach, they should need to attach, no? So the hooks and suckers will help them, and also it will be helping in absorbing the nutrients from the host. And they have a special cells called flame cells which helps them in osmoregulation and in excretion. And they are also hermaphrodite, and one example of platyhelminthes, which is planaria, have a high capacity of regeneration. This is also another important point. Planaria shows regeneration. Regeneration means each part of planaria, if it cut into pieces, it has the ability to grow into a new individual. That is mean as regeneration, and planaria is the example for that. And the other examples are Taenia. Okay, then talking about the Ascalmenthes, they are circular. In case of platyhelminthes, they are flat. In Ascalmenthes, they are circular, so they are called as roundworms. And talking about them, they are free, terrestrial, aquatic, and maybe they are parasitic. So in this case, we have the alimentary canal complete. In case of Ascalmenthes, they have the complete alimentary canal, and they have the muscular pharynx in the alimentary canal. And talking about the excretion, they have excretory tube which will be removing the excretory waste from their body via the excretory pores. Okay, the excretory tube will be removing the waste via the excretory pores. And they are dioecious, and mostly female will be the larger one. Dioecious means both female and male are like individual. They won't be in the separated. They won't be in a single individual, and the development is direct. And the common example are Ascaris. So let's revise Ctenophora, platyhelminthes, and Ascalmenthes before moving to the next phylum. So Ctenophora, they are also called as steel walnuts and comb jellies. They are exclusively marine, and they have 8 ciliated comb plates. That's why they are called as comb jellies, and the special property is bioluminescence. And talking about platyhelminthes, they are called as flatworms, and they have hooks and suckers in case of endoparasite, and they have special flame cells which helps in osmoregulation and excretion. And talking about Ascalmenthes, they are roundworms, and they have a complete alimentary canal with muscular pharynx, and they are dioecious, and female will be a large one.